Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about the Python dictionary. We're going to be going over all the basics of Python dictionary, such as defining Python dictionary, accessing values in a dictionary, changing the values of a dictionary, deleting items in a dictionary, and adding values to a dictionary, and many more. Guys, before going further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload new coding videos. Okay guys, without further ado, let's go. The Python dictionary is simply a data structure which is used for storing information. It stores information in key value pair. To define your dictionary, you simply use this curly braces. The curly braces is used for defining dictionary in Python. This is the curly braces used for defining dictionary in Python. Okay, let's start by creating our first dictionary. We are going to call this our dictionary user1. This dictionary is going to store information about a particular user. Okay, we call our curly braces. As I said before, it stores it in key value pair. Okay, this is our key. I want to give it our value. Our value, the name of the individual is Martin. Okay, the next key which we are going to give again will be the age of the individual. The age should be, let me say, 20 years old. Then the country of the individual, okay, let me call this France. Then let me add a last key value pair. This will store the pet of the individual. Let's call this hamster. Okay, hamster. Okay. When I run this and I call our dictionary out, our user1 dictionary, you can see here gives all the information about the user name, the age, the country, and the user pet. That's how you store information using the Python dictionary. Where as we have studied this information, let's learn how to access this information in our dictionary. To access information in your dictionary, you simply call the name of your dictionary. Okay, our user1 dictionary, call a square braces, place the key of your dictionary. Okay, the key of this dictionary here is name, so I'm going to place name here. When I want this, you see here the value associated with this key name is Martin. So that's how you access values in a dictionary. You can also access the value associated with the key age, which is 20. You can also access the value associated with the key pet, which is hamster. So that's how you access values in a dictionary. Changing the values of a dictionary. To change the value of a dictionary, let's say we have this our dictionary. I want to change the name of the individual. Okay, I want to change the name of the individual. You simply call your dictionary, call your key, okay, the name key, then set it to our new value. Our new value, let's say want to call it want to give the individual name Craig. Want to give the individual name Craig. Okay, when I want this now and I call my user1 dictionary again, you can see here my name has been changed from Martin to Craig. I can also change the name. I can also change the age. As usual, call my dictionary, my square braces. Okay, then call my key age, then set it to my new value. Say 40 years old. When I want this and I call my user1 dictionary again, you can see here my age has been changed from 20 to 40. So that's how you change values in a dictionary. Deleting item in a dictionary. To delete item in a dictionary, you simply use a very simple method called the del. This method is really easy. Just call your del keyword, place your name of your dictionary as usual, user1 dictionary, give your key. Okay, I want to delete the key. Let's say age. I want to delete the key age. When I want this, our key will be deleted. Let's check it now. Our user1 dictionary. Let's see if age is still there. You see here, there's no more age in our dictionary anymore. So that's how you delete values in a dictionary. You can also delete the name. As usual, call your keyword there. Your user dictionary, user1 dictionary. Place your key. I want to delete the name, so I see this is my key name. When I want this and I call my user, I want dictionary again. See here, my name has also been deleted from my dictionary. So that's how you delete values from a dictionary. Well, most time you will also want to add item to your dictionary. To add item to your dictionary, you simply use the method which you have been using. Call your dictionary. Just simply call your dictionary. Give the new key which you want to append to your dictionary. Well, let me increase our dictionary again, because I've deleted a lot of items from it. Let me create it again, copy it. Let me create our dictionary. Let me check if it's created. Okay, it's our dictionary. Then we want to add another key value pair called the gender of the individual. Okay, to do that, as we normally do, call our dictionary, call our square braces, then place our new key which we want to create. Okay, as I said, we want to add the key gender to it, and we set it to the value which is going to be, since it's a male, we want to set it to a male. When I run this and I call our user one dictionary again, and I call it again, you can see here my name, my gender male has been created in our dictionary. So that's how I use the Python dictionary. Okay, you have learned about the base of Python dictionary. If you want to learn more about this Python dictionary, such as advanced concepts like looping through dictionary, nesting of dictionary, and many more, I will place a link to my video in the description box below. So just don't forget to check it out. And if there's any part of the video you don't understand, just drop it in the comment section below. I will reply to all your comments. Okay guys, thanks for watching.